Welcome to the tutorial on how to create a sustainability activity record for mobile combustion using the JD Edwards Sustainability Framework. Your petrochemical company operates a fleet of vehicles such as service vans, trucks, and forklifts to transport raw materials, equipment, and personnel within its refinery and production plants. The company needs to track fuel consumption and emissions from these company-owned vehicles as part of its environmental compliance and sustainability reporting requirement. In the interest of time, we have completed the foundation setup for this scenario. Let's sign in to Enterprise One to review this setup and to enter a sustainability activity record. Access the Determinants application from the G2O S41 menu. We have already set up the determinants diesel and heavy-duty truck and have assigned them to the determinant types fuel type and vehicle type respectively. Now access the determinant types mapping application and review the determinant types fuel type and vehicle type and their associated data items. Now let's access the fuel types application to review the additional details for the determinant that we have already added in the interest of time. Now let's access the activity types application. We can see that we have selected the value for mobile combustion in the activity type field and have entered other corresponding details on the determinant tab, such as in the determinant type field, we have selected fuel type and vehicle type as the determinant types. On the measure type tab, we have specified the measure type as distance and quantity. Then on the emission type tab, we have these three gases as the emissions. Now let's access the activity sources application to review the activity source for mobile combustion that we have already set up for this tutorial. Click Find. We can see that we have set up Truck 2018 diesel in the activity source field, which denotes 2018 as the model year of heavy-duty truck that we have set as the vehicle type for this case, then the activity type as mobile combustion and the fuel type as diesel. With this, we have completed the foundation setup. We'll now further look into our scenario. Now let's say in this company, the vehicle operators record fuel purchases and distances traveled in a standard daily log sheet. The Sustainability Manager consolidates these log sheets and uses the Sustainability Activity Ledger program to input the transactions directly into the system, ensuring accurate tracking of fuel consumption and emissions. Access the Sustainability Activity Ledger application from the G2O S10 menu. Click Add. On the Sustainability Activity Ledger revision form, enter 4242 in the supplier field and 30 in the business unit field. Now select Truck 2018 diesel in the activity source field. Let's scroll to the right and enter 50 in the resource quantity field and GA as its unit of measure. And then for mobile combustion, we'll also enter 1200 for distance and km as its unit of measure. You can see that the system has retrieved all corresponding data for the activity source. You can also access the emissions form from the row menu to enter the emissions. The Sustainability Activity Ledger application also provides you with the flexibility to use the spreadsheets to upload bulk data that you receive from monthly or quarterly invoices from the third-party logistic contractors. Now save the record and close the Sustainability Activity Ledger revision form. The system has created this document in the Sustainability Activity Ledger. You can also use the standard voucher or the voucher match applications to enter the sustainability data for mobile combustion and create an activity record. To learn more about the sustainability framework, visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.